Hi, it's Todd from Todd Cutler here, and I bring you my bronze boar. Now, this isn't just any boar. This is Freya's symbol. Now, Freya was the goddess of both war and fertility and magic and a few other things. But I just love the concept of being the goddess of both war and fertility, because it's like you get people killed in the war and then you get them to breed again and produce more with the fertility. And then it just feeds back. It's a wonderful closed system. Absolute genius that these old pagans had. Anyway, other than that, solid bronze. You mount it on your helmet, put it on your desk as a paperweight. I don't know, do whatever you want with it. Just own it, because it's a lovely, lovely thing. Anyway, so Freya's boar, and there he is.